Okay, good morning everyone, and today I will explain the business model canvas of my application, which is Summit. It is a learning platform based on the picture you see on the slide. This will help us to see the whole business on one page, who help us, what we do, and what we offer. Also, who we serve and how we communicate, and how the money flows in and out. By going box and box, you will understand clearly how this education platform is designed to work in the real world. Summit, or Skill Upfit and Master Institute, is an innovative application focused on technology and education, designed to reduce unemployment rates in Indonesia by providing relevant learning video contents that meets the current needs of the job market. Summit offers various skills development courses, including information technology, digital skills, and other professional expertise that are essential in the digital era. The platform is easily accessible, affordable, and also provides certification to increase the employment opportunities of its users. Okay, first, I'm going to explain the customer segments on the BMC. Potong dulu, bentar. Okay, first I'm going to explain the customer segments on the BMC. In this picture, the customer segments are on the right side of the business model canvas. They include, first, unemployed people who want to improve their skills, general internet users who are interested in learning through an online platform, working people or angkatan kerja who want to upgrade or update their skills for better careers, also people living in big cities where internet access and demand for upskilling are higher. And the next is value proportion. We arrive at the value proposition box, which is the heart of the picture. This part answers a simple question: why should learners choose our platform instead of others? According to the picture, our value starts with being affordable, so people with different economic backgrounds can still access quality educations. It also mentions wide accessibility, meaning users can join from anywhere as long as they have internet. The platform is described as interactive and user-friendly, which suggests that lessons are not just videos to watch, but include quizzes, discussions, or other interactive elements that make learning more active. The value proposition also emphasizes a fun learning experience using gamification features. This means the platform may use points, badges, levels, or rewards to motivate users to keep studying. Gamification is important because many learners lose motivation over time. Making the process more playful helps them stay consistent. And finally, the canvas states that teaching is delivered by professional instructors. This builds trust because users know they are learning from people who have expertise and experience, not just random content creators. When you put these elements together, affordability, accessibility, interactivity, gamification, and professionalism, you can see a strong promise being made to the customer. And the next, the channel box answers the question: how do we actually teach customers and deliver the service? According to the canvas, the main channels are the Summit application itself, social media, customer service, and paid advertisement. The app is the core channel where users register, access content, and interact with the teachers. Social media platforms, such as Instagram or TikTok, are used to share information, short educational content, and campaign messages. Customer service support users when they have technical problems or questions, which increase satisfaction and trust. Paid ads help the business reach new audience beyond organic followers, especially during the important campaigns or new program launches. Having multiple channels ensures that the message about the platform reach people wherever they are online. Next, the customer relationship box explains how the platform builds and maintains resources and connections with these users. In the picture, there are three main methods: learning notifications, promotion through social media, and price discounts. Learning notifications remind users about upcoming classes, deadlines, or new content, helping them stay engaged and not forget their learning goals. Social media promotions create awareness, share success stories, and invite new users to join. Discounts or price cuts are used to attract first-time users encourage upgrades to premium package, or reward loyal customers. These relationship strategies ensure that once people know the platform, they continue to interact with it regularly. Okay, and the next is the revenue streams. The revenue streams box shows how the business earns money to cover those costs and hopefully make profit. The picture mentions user payments for guidance or learning programs, advertising and sponsorship income, and profit sharing from partners. User payments can come from course fees, subscription plans, also or one-time program purchases. Advertising revenue appears when brands pay to place ads or sponsor contents inside the platform. Profit sharing might happen when partner organizations bring their own programs or learners and then share a portion of the income with Summit. By having several revenue streams, the business is less dependent on one source and can be more stable in a long term. And the next is the key activities box. It describes the most important tasks that our team does every day. In the picture, we can see activities such as maintaining and upgrading the server, application, and database, also managing and learning content inside the app, and doing regular research and development. Maintenance and upgrading are critical because users expect fast loading, secure data, and new features over time. Content management means selecting, organizing, and updating materials so that courses stay relevant and engaging. Research and development allow us to test new features and improve user experience, also respond to the feedback. If we stop doing these activities, the platform will quickly feel outdated or unreliable, and users may move to other competitors. And the next is the key partnership box. The picture lists the three main groups: teaching partners or total square providers, ID employees, and rental or tool providers. These partners are important because we cannot run the platform alone. Teaching partners are important because we cannot run the platform with our own feet. And teaching partners supply high quality learning content and deliver classes or mentoring sessions. Its IT staff maintain and develop the application so that users can access it smoothly without bugs or downtime. Rental or equipment providers support us with any tools or facilities we need. For example, hardware, studio spaces, or other learning equipment. And together, these partners reduce our operational risk and help us focus on what we do best. And the last is the cost structure. In the cost structure box, the picture lists office and operational expenses, employee salaries, server and hosting fees, database management costs, analytical and monitoring tools, also social media campaign spending. Office and operations include rent, utilities, and basic administration. Salaries are needed to pay teachers, ID staff, and other employees. Server and hosting keep the platform running and store user data fast and safely. Database management and monitoring tools allow the team to track the performance, user behavior, also system health. Social media campaigns require a budget for paid ads, content productions, and collaborations. These costs show where most of the money goes in each month. Next is the TAM SUM SOM section you can plug into this picture. Let's connect this business model canvas to the market potential using the sample of TAM, SUM, and SOM. TAM stands for Total Addressable Market. SUM is Serviceable Addressable Market, and SOM is Serviceable Obtainable Market. In other words, TAM is the big total market out there. SUM is the part we can realistically serve, and SOM is the realistic share we can hope to win in the next few years. For our Summit platform, the TAM is the entire global market of people who use the internet and want to learn new skills online. These include students, job seekers, and working professionals in many countries who are willing to pay for online courses, mentoring, and upskilling programs. If we imagine in every internet user who wants to improve their skills and is open to online learning, that is our maximum potential market size. However, we can't serve the whole world immediately, so we narrow it to the SUM. Our serviceable addressable market focuses on Indonesian internet users, especially those in the big cities who need affordable and flexible online learning. This includes unemployed people looking for jobs, fresh graduated, and workers who want to upgrade their skills for promotion or other change. These are the specific segments already shown in the business model canvas, and they are the groups that our product, pricing, and language are designed for. And finally, our SOM is the realistic slice of the market that we can capture in the short to medium term. With our current budget, team size, and brand awareness, we might target only a certain percentage of the Indonesian online learning market, who start from a few thousand active paying users and then growing step by step. Our SOM depends on how effective our channels are, such as the Summit app, social media campaigns, and partnership, and on how strong our value proposition feels compared to competitors. By thinking in terms of TAM, SAM, and SOM, we make sure our business model canvas is not just attractive on paper, but also grounded in realistic market potential and growth in targets. And that's all from the business model canvas